go back in because they coming a little too damn close.
They not gonna do nothing.
They back down for film. Yes, they are.
Wow. I'm standing about 6 feet away from my man Wood.
See all that honey in there?
Y'all check this out. Check out them skills. Now y'all see all this protective stuff he got on?
See that honey? Right there, looking at.
Wow, look at all those bees.
See that honey and nectar in there?
Nice. He got on protective equipment. I ain't got nothing on, and I'm standing here filming. But I just want to let y'all know I got some of the most interesting customers in the world.
All right, what I'm
Homemade honey.
Yep.
What you doing now, Wood?
Basically, what I'm doing is I'm taking out these strips. This is the mite treatment.
Wow. Okay.
To keep them mite free. And I probably kind of. Sometimes I come out here and just go barehanded. But being now that they need their honey supply, I try not to go in here that much.
How long you been doing this?
I started it out this year, and I joined the Bee Club.
What's the name of your bee club?
Charlotte, Mecklenburg County. And then I'm part of the North Carolina, the overall state of North Carolina too, Bee Club.
Okay.
So basically what I'm doing now is, normally I use smoke or sugar water.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Too late. About. One landed on my head.
He ain't gonna sting me. He gonna hit your ass in the head though.
All right. Whew. All right, y'all. I was almost down, but I ain't out. I got attacked by a bee.
They just bump your head, man.
I see. I wasn't ready for that. All right,
They're not gonna sting you, trust me.
All right.
Man, they almost out of this sugar water. See, look, I'm just throwing some sugar water down in there, and then I'm gonna get them cover this thing back up.
All right. What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Woods Friendly Garden.
Woods Friendly Garden.
Yep.
All right. Y'all check my man channel out.
Woods Friendly Garden on YouTube. And
All
I
right.
have later to send you the link.
Okay. We'll post the link on our TikTok and our YouTube channel. All right. This is Jay with TV Mount Charlotte. Y'all almost saw me get taken out by bees today.
Nah.
Signing off.